Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will learn how to convert a static HTML and CSS page into a living, breathing WordPress theme. So up until this point in the course, the WordPress theme and site that we've been working on has zero style or design to it. Now this isn't very realistic, is it? Because in the real world, we're never going to make any money if our websites are this ugly. So we need to add design and art direction to our theme. Now we could start writing CSS together and try to create something that looks nice, but this isn't a course about CSS. In this course, we want to stay focused on WordPress, PHP, and a little bit of JavaScript. So in order to avoid getting bogged down in CSS and design for the next 20 hours, what we're going to do is download a little bit of HTML and CSS that I've already written for us. But it could just as well be HTML and CSS that you or your coworker wrote. The actual HTML and CSS itself doesn't matter. What matters is that we learn how to integrate it into a living, breathing WordPress theme. Okay, so right now, let's go and download my starter code. I want you to open a new tab in your web browser and visit this URL. So it's github.com/learnwebcode/university-static. Anyways, once you're on this page, we just want to use this green clone or download button that we see here. And once you click on that, then we are interested in this download zip button. And once you go ahead and extract that zip file, you will have a folder named University Static Master. Now this time around, it doesn't matter where you place this folder, because the folder isn't going to have anything to do with our WordPress site. We're basically just going to copy and paste stuff from this new folder into our WordPress theme folder. Okay, but first, let's just go ahead and look within this new folder. And the first thing I want you to do is find the index.html file and preview it in your web browser. So in this empty Google tab, I will just drag index.html on top of it. And this page is just static HTML. This file has zero PHP in it and has absolutely nothing to do with WordPress. So none of the links are real, they don't go anywhere, none of the buttons do anything. It's our job now to copy and paste this HTML into our WordPress theme and then sort of hollow it out and program it to pull in real user-generated WordPress content like posts and pages. So we want to start moving over some of this HTML into the WordPress theme that we've been working on that lives at fictionaluniversity.dev. And the question of the moment is, where do we begin? Well, it's just personal preference, but I always like to begin with the header. So in this case, the part that I'm highlighting right now, we've got the logo in the top left and the navigation links and buttons in the top right.